So now it's time to attach the throttle. First, we need to remove the grips from the bars. After you've removed the grip, you can insert the throttle onto the bars and be sure to slide down so you have space to reattach the grip. After, you can use an Allen key and we can tighten the throttle onto the bars. Next is time to attach and tighten the other two. So by using the screwdriver, tighten the screws and tighten the Allen keys. When you finish doing all this, you can now plug the throttle into the bike. And now you're finished. Using the stand, you can tilt the bike to one side and you can test the throttle